In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to video in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple prompt or paragraph into a polished video with the right music, visuals, and format for your audience. Start on the My Projects page in Wave.video, which acts as your main dashboard. This is where all of your videos live and where new ones begin. Look for the Create button, typically at the top of the page. Click it to open the project options. From here, choose from text. This tells Wave.video you want the system to build a video based on what you write, rather than starting from a template or uploading footage. In the text field, type a clear prompt or a detailed sentence. The more specific you are, the better the result. Mention the topic, audience, tone, and intended outcome. For example, you might say you want a short promotional explainer for social media with a friendly, upbeat feel. You can paste a paragraph too. Just make sure it's concise and free of filler. If the first version feels generic, refine the wording and keep it focused on what viewers should learn or do. Next, adjust the audio mood to match the tone you want. This setting influences the background music and overall feel of the edit. Uplifting works well for product spots, calm suits tutorials and walkthroughs, and dramatic can help with teasers. You can always change this later, so pick the mood that supports your message. Before generating visuals, decide whether Wave.video should use all stock assets or stick to free ones. Choosing all stock gives you the widest range of footage and images, while preferring free keeps everything budget-friendly. Pick what aligns with your plan and make sure any assets you use fit your brand and context. If your text feels long, you can reduce it with AI. This tool tightens the script while keeping the key points intact. It's a quick way to improve pacing and make the video easier to follow, especially for shorter formats. When everything looks set, click Next to continue. You'll now choose the format and style. Select the aspect ratio that fits your destination. Landscape for web and presentations, square for feeds, or vertical for stories and shorts. Then pick a style that matches your brand's fonts, colors, and transitions. Finally, click Create Video. Wave.video will assemble a draft using your text, chosen mood, and selected assets. Once it's generated, review the result, make any edits you need, and you're ready to move forward with a video built directly